Hi, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a 10-year follow-up on an FUE case that we did for the hairline. And this guy is, well, he was 30, and now he's 40 with 2 kids. And he came in from the West Coast, and we had done this FUE on him 10 years ago, and then we did a subsequent little touch-up about a year or 2 later. And then we lost track of him, and then he flew back, or he moved back to the area, and he came in to see whether he needed more hair done. And he went from looking like this to looking like this. And I think his hairline's perfect. I tell him,
so good, yeah.
Yeah, there's no reason to put more hair at that hairline. Anything further he does will make him look remarkable. And right now he looks completely unremarkable.
Yeah, he looks right normal, yeah.
So again, we have lots of early on follow-ups, and even after a couple of years, but a 10-year FUE follow-up. We don't have a lot of these videos, so I really appreciate when people come by, because if it's going to work, it'll keep working for a long time. And although if you watch enough of my videos, I definitely prefer stripped FUE. This guy's a great candidate for FUE, meaning that he has pretty decent hair, he didn't need a whole lot, and he wears a particularly short haircut in the back of his head.
Yeah, we've been doing FUEs more than 10 years.
So 14 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.